Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will teach you how to make a sticker on the Snapchat. So if you want to make a sticker on Snapchat, watch this video till the end, and if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to open your Snapchat mobile application and log into your account. After that, you have to click a picture, any picture you want to make a sticker. Okay, as you can see, I have clicked a picture. On the fourth option on the right top, you will see a Caesar icon. Just click on it, and here you will see multiple options like draw, rectangle, and ellipse. So you have to select the sticker according to your choice. Like I have created a sticker this. Once you will do it, your sticker is created now simply you have to click on the discard and create or click a new picture or video, and then you have to click on the third option on the sticker, and here you will see Caesar icon on the top menu. Just click on it and you can see sticker is here. So this is the way to make a sticker on the Snapchat. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.